You know, when we look back on this in 10 years and we watch these videos, we're going to say, I remember when we were quarantined. And the memes were just incredible. Okay, so 2 videos ago, we had the grilled peanut butter and jelly sandwich, which was phenomenal. Our last video, how to make French bread pizza. You can do it on an English muffin. You can do it on a French bread. We did a little twist to it. That video was amazing too. And you know what's really, really cool, and we're so appreciative, is a lot of you guys are sharing our recipes and our videos on Facebook. We've seen a lot of increase in Facebook traffic. Our YouTube analytics are showing that a lot of views are coming from Facebook. So we really, really appreciate that. We're trying to keep with the theme of finding stuff in your pantry, different things like that. But at the same time that we're cooking out of our pantry, we're cooking at home, we're staying away, safer at home, we still want to support local business. So last night, my son and I, we went to our local pizzeria, Vincenzo's Pizza, which looked like this. If you're from Santa Clarita, you know this place. Just went there to get takeout. Oh, baby. They were packed. Ton of people. They said that they've been slammed all day. Deliveries, takeout. A lot of people supporting small business, I guess. Hello.
Pizza.
So we had takeout pizza. We brought the pizza home. It was amazing. But now it's Sunday morning. We're on the next day. We have leftover pizza in the refrigerator. And who doesn't love cold pizza? Obviously, cold pizza is amazing. However, there is this trend that I'm seeing on the internet, and I don't understand it. Pizza eggs. Scrambled eggs on pizza, pizza eggs or whatever. I don't know. But I want to try it. So this video is going to be, again, maybe you had pizza last night. You have cold pizza in the refrigerator. Now we're going to make breakfast pizza egg style. Now, since I bought this pizza for my 9-year-old, it was half cheese, half pepperoni. This would probably work better if it was like a bell pepper supreme pizza. It'd probably have more flavors, but hey, we're gonna give it a shot. Pepperoni pizza eggs coming up. Thank you guys so much for watching our videos. Let's check this out. And I think this is gonna be a really fun recipe, especially for kids. If you're bored at home, a lot of people are homeschooling their kids now, make this. Get the kids involved, make this. This is simple. You might have a little leftover cold pizza. I don't know, it's something different, something to change. I don't know, I've never tried it. So let's give it a whirl. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is grab your big ass knife. You're gonna need to get your pizza out of the refrigerator, unwrap it from the aluminum foil. You can see here that, yeah, pepperoni pizza for the child with a little extra guy on the bottom of it. Look at this. Oh, yeah, just stuck to the bottom. Okay, we need to start chopping this up. I got a little cutting board out, and then I'm just gonna you know, get it. you obviously you get the idea. As you can see, I chopped them into like 1 inch by 1 inch little slices. Really easy to chop since the pizza was cold. So we'll get all that together on our board. We'll head on over to the stove, get that fired up. Okay, gas is on, cast iron. You could use a pan, you could use whatever you have. I just happen to have a cast iron skillet. Ooh, Kerrygold Irish butter. Drop that in. You know what? Fast forward. Ooh, melting butter. That's sexy time right there. All right, so the butter, we're gonna get that moved around. We're gonna get that pan hot. We just wanna get the butter. It will prevent the sticking. It'll make it taste great, all that stuff like that. Next, dump the pizza in the pan, obviously. Check this out. Okay, we're going around. There we go. Pan's warm, butter's melted, pizza's cold. We need to get that all looking nice. All right, now, move it around. What narration is this? Good grief. Look at this. Just moving pizza around. I don't think it gets any more exciting than this, boys and girls. That pizza's starting to heat up. Tomato sauce, pepperoni, cheese, bread. It's all starting to heat up. You can see, look at the cheese. It's melting. Oh, look at it. Look at the melting. All right, so the pizza's good. It's in the pan. Next, it's egg time. 1 egg. 2 eggs. 3 eggs. And we mix. Just get that all moving around. Get that pizza moving. Get it. Just keep it on low heat now. Move it around. We're making scrambled eggs and pizza. My goodness. It doesn't get any easier. It doesn't get any better. There we go. Look at it. It's coming together. Super easy. It's like literally like 2 minutes.
You guys should make it. It's so good.
Okay, so it's time to take it out of the pan, threw it on a plate, a little bit of parsley. Obviously, you want to make it look sexy. A little bit of parsley on it, a little of that greenery on it. And there we go. Look at that. Ooh, slow motion shot. Oh, pepperoni pizza, eggs, a little bit of parsley on top. There we go.
I mean, I get the pepperoni.
Okay. What do you think about this creation?
Looks delicious. I could tell it's super cheesy.
I didn't even add any cheese.
Then was the pizza cheese?
Oh. What do you think? The people want to know your words.
It's amazing. Go like and subscribe and eat it. It's delicious. Peace.
You got to get the right bite with enough egg, pepperoni, all this. Let's see here. Should we do it mukbang style? Like, I don't know. That's a big bite. They're pretty good. Tastes like pizza and eggs. It's pretty good. It's kind of like a pizza scramble. All right, if you're stuck at home, make this for your kids. If you have leftover pizza or something like that, if you ordered pizza out. They'll get a kick out of it. Until the next time, thank you.